welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, I want to share a couple of natural hair products that I'll be trying for the first time. And I want you guys to go along with me as I apply it to my hair. I'm not sure how this product going to work out. I hadn't done any research on it, but I have also seen, these products mentioned, in several haul videos, and I don't even think I've seen any tutorials on these products being applied. So for the first one I have, it is Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco for natural hair, twirling cluster curl styling gel. Defines and elongates for crunch-free curls. And it says it's for curls, coils, kinks, and waves. No frizz, no shrinkage, no dryness. And this is what it looks like. And I don't even think I even heard of this one, but I've heard of the Cream of Nature line. I've heard of the Cream of Nature product line by Argan or Morocco. And yeah, I'm not sure how this works. If any of you guys have tried this, please share it with me. Let me know what you think of this product. Or you can link me a video in the comment section so I can watch it. I'm thinking you can link a video so that I'm able to look at it, but I'm not sure. But if you can, please link that video. And for the next one is the Cream of Nature, of course, with Argan Oil from Morocco. It's new moisturizing milk masker. I guess it's masker. For all, it says it's for all curl types and transitioners. No frizz, no shrinkage, no dryness. So yeah, I'm going to try this on my hair now. I shared in a previous video on how I was doing my hair for a protective style, and my hair is still from the light flat iron, and I just removed my braids. So and I'm gonna do this here on dry hair. My hair is very dry right now, especially my ends. They are so dry. I don't know if have any of you guys ever had your natural hair like this before, where it feels so dry at the ends. I know your ends are the oldest part of your hair, but they are very dry. And I'm hoping that this mask that I'm using by Cream of Nature, I hope it works for me. So I hope you guys can see that. I hope the light is not, having a glare on the product. But this here is the mask here. And I'm going to try this on my hair for the first time. And then I think I'm going to do a twist out. And I'm going to use this in my twist out. So if y'all still are interested in seeing on how I'm going to be applying this to my hair, please continue watching. And I will also share with you guys on me using the twirling cluster to do the twist out. So let's get started. guys, this is my hair after I rinsed it out, and I just took the t-shirt off and it's kind of dried out. I don't know, guys, I've been kind of having dry hair lately and a lot of issues with shedding. Not quite sure what phase that I'm going through. Not quite sure, and I'm not sure what's going on. And I'm hoping that I didn't get heat damage from me doing my light flat iron. I did use a heat protector, but sometimes that doesn't matter if you use it or not. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Shea Butter leave-in conditioner by Canon T3i. I'm gonna use this one this time. I've been using the Simply Shea leave-in conditioner, but I'm going to try this one out this time. And I'm going to take about that much. Not really sure what's going on with my hair, but and I'm more focused on the ends of my hair with this leave-in conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and try out the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Trolling Cluster Curl Styling Gel. And I'm going to try that out. And so I'm going to go ahead and take this side down. And this is what the cluster look like. You see the consistency is very, it's very thick. So I probably won't need much of it, so we're going to see. And when I do my twisties, I don't do them very small. I just mainly just kind of part off a section. And I'm not sure if my hair will be dry by morning, but if I don't get a chance to share with you guys what it looked like that morning, I would definitely show you later that evening once I'm home from work. So I'm taking about that much. I hadn't did a twist out in a while. Before I started wearing my protective styles in the wig, I was doing wash and goes. So you guys, I'm done. And you can look and tell I got heat damaged to my hair. Oh, but it's okay. I'm not happy about it, but wow. I do have heat damage. And So guys, if I have to cut my hair off to a certain length, I will. But I'll see what I can do and how, if I work with it for a while and see how it gets. And I don't know. Anyone can tell me anything about heat damage, I'm going to go and do me some research. I've seen videos in the past, but I can't really remember what they did. So if any of you guys have any suggestions for me, please leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, if this dries before morning, I will come back and share it with you guys. If not, it'll be tomorrow. It'll be that late afternoon, so you guys can see it and see how my hair turns out in this twist out using this twirling cluster curling styling gel. Well, okay guys, I'm back, and I didn't share with you guys with my hair being down. It didn't turn out good. I'm not quite sure what happened, but I'm going to try it again. And what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to clarify my hair, do a protein treatment, and do a deep moisturizing treatment, and see how my curls come out then. But yeah, I just put it up into like a high puff. I didn't have great curl definition, and I don't know. So yeah, so if it's really heat damage, which it is heat damage, but it's not bad as I thought it was, but I do have it. But if you guys want to go along with me on this journey as I guess you could say, transition my hair back into the healthy state, I might have to trim a little bit of my hair off, but that's fine. It'll grow back. And yeah, I'm just more concerned about my hair being very healthy. But if any of you guys have any suggestions for me concerning having heat damaged hair, please comment in the section below so I can follow you guys. I've been doing a lot of research. I did see where it said Afro-G protein treatment, either the 2-in-1, I think it's the 2-in-1, or either you can do the reconstructor Afro-G. But yeah guys, and I just put it up in a hot puff. Okay guys, until next time, you guys be blessed, and don't forget to be a blessing. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you would love to see more of my natural hair videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Please, I need your support. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my updated videos. And yeah, bye guys.